Are you bored of the stock ringtones on your iPhone and don't want to pay to download a new ringtone? If you can't find the ringtone of your favorite song and want to go back to the good old days of custom ringtones, in this video we will show you a totally free and easy way to add your own custom ringtones on your iPhone. On a Windows PC, you will need to install the latest version of iTunes from Apple. On a Mac, iTunes is already installed and ready to go. Now, of course, you will need a sound clip you want to convert and use as a ringtone for this. Add the sound file to iTunes and locate it in your library. Click on File located at the top left corner. Select Add Files to Library and then select a sound file that you want to use as your ringtone. Make sure your sound file should not be larger than 40 seconds. Once your ringtone file is imported into iTunes, select the sound file in iTunes and click File, Convert, Create AAC version. You will end up with two copies of the same song file in your iTunes library, the original MP3 version and the new AAC version. Now you have your ringtone file as an AAC file. Right click on it and select Show in Windows Explorer to open it in Windows. You will get the ringtone file as an AAC file with the M4A file extension. Change the file extension to M4R. Finally, connect your phone to your PC using a USB cable. Unlock your iPhone and tap the Trust option on its screen to confirm you want to trust your computer. If you haven't previously connected your phone to iTunes on that PC or Mac, you will be prompted to enter your PIN. In iTunes, click the device icon that appears to the left of Library on the navigation bar. Click the Tones section under Devices in the left sidebar. Drag and drop the M4R ringtone file from its folder to the Tones section in iTunes. If drag and drop doesn't work, use copy and paste instead. iTunes will sync the ringtone to your phone and it will immediately appear under the Tones section. Now head to Settings on your iPhone, Sounds and Haptics, Ringtone and choose your custom ringtone. Any custom ringtones you have added will appear at the top of the list here. So that's how you can add any custom ringtone on your iPhone. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more.